Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to quick show you how to clean your headphones BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95. So this tutorial won't show you how to completely clean your headphones, but I will tell you the best tips for that. So let's get started. Here, as you can see, we do have these earpads here. And to clean, we just have to clean these earpads inside. So at first we have to remove it, and they are magnetic. So I really like it, I love it. And here we can just, with some earwax tip, we can move it around here, but with delicate, not a big strength. Here around it, and here, especially here. Here we have some earwax sometimes. Here we don't have to actually, but if you here see some dirt, you have to, of course, take the earwax tip with some alcohol, but not water, alcohol, and move it around here. We can now place it here. The same applies to this one. And if you see some dirt here around it, you can take the microfiber cloth, for example, like this one, alcohol, and just here you can just wipe down the dirt. It's not easy. I don't really think that you have to clean these headphones that much. Of course, if you have some earwax, you have to clean it, but don't use the water, of course. And that's it for the guide. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.